Hey guys, this is Marshall James. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the all-new Infinix S5 Pro, which was earlier announced 6th of March 2020 by Infinix to be the first 40 megapixel pop-up AI selfie camera ever. But before we begin, if you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon next to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Without much waiting, let's see what's inside the box. On opening the box, you're welcome with the phone itself, which have some of the phone specifications on it. Next is the X Club leaflet, a gift card that contains the SIM injector pin, a film screen protector, a silicone plastic cover, digging for the lithium wax, super fast charging brick, your earpiece, and lastly you have the micro USB charging cable. And I'm still wondering why they haven't changed it to the trending Type-C. That's absolutely all in the box. The Infinix S5 Pro has a perfect fingerprint magnet body, but looks sweet and eye-catching as well, as it feels very handy. On top of the device is a curve point for the pop-up selfie camera. On the right is the volume up and down rocker with the power button. On the left is the dual nano plus SD card slot. Beneath is the headphone jack, charging brick, and the speaker grills. And at the back is your fingerprint scanner, the 48 megapixel Ray triple camera, the Infinix name boldly inscripted. And note, this phone has no notch at all. Okay guys, let's turn on the device and see what it has to offer. Wow, the phone has a great display, a 6.53-inch screen size and a 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution entails. The turning on process did not take long, as the 6 GB of RAM, octa-core 4x23 GHz processor with a chipset MediaTek MT6765 Helio PP35 on top of the Android 10 helps the device run faster and smoother, and a great internal storage of 128 GB. Going further is the motorized pop-up 40 megapixel selfie camera, a 48 megapixel WOW plus a 2 megapixel depth camera, giving the device a total number of 92 megapixel camera. Although I think this is huge for one device, but it performs pretty nice. Here are some shots from both the front and the rear camera. This device houses a 4000 mAh battery capacity and it goes for 96,000 naira. That was it for today's video guys. More details about this device will be discovered in my next video. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell icon next to it. Give the video a thumbs up and tell me in the comment section which device you want me to compare it with. See you in my next one. Thanks.